Welcome to the second edition of ICA conference. Please, ma'am, let us introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Babilata as a Principal Technical Officer working in CSIR CFTRI Research Institute, which is there in Mysuru. I have presented in ICA regarding the value addition of the cashew kernel.
Okay.
I like to introduce the cashew kernel, benefits of cashew kernel. It is having the good sources of the nutrients, especially the fatty acids, having high amount of the fat. Like in that, kufa is one of the source which is needed for our body, and also apart from that, it has the vitamin E in it, which is a good source for antioxidants, and it has the minor nutrients like minerals and calcium, iron, zinc, etc.
Look, how processors can benefit from lower grades by using value addition and that.
As such, raw kernel, it is going as a export proper. This one, to adding the value to that, it enhances its potential market. Okay, to that, what we have done is we have done the deep-fat fried and fried cashew kernel. Further, it is flavored. Due to the oil uptake is more in that, and the stability is, looks to be constrained. So we have switched over to the dry roasted and flavored cashew kernel.
Okay.
In that, we have to do the dry roasting. Further, it is subjected for the flavorings,
Okay.
and it is having the better shelf life than that of the fried one. Apart from that, we have used to uplift the lower grade cashew kernels like SSP1, SSP2, that is splits, which is obtained during the processing of the cashew kernel. It is go as a wastage, or sometimes it is used in the confections. So to give the value addition to that, in our institute we carry out the R&D and developed a lot of the usable products like cashew cheese, cashew milk, cashew butter, and cashew paste, which is going as for the culinary purpose. These are all the some of the products we have developed by carrying out the R&D and given the uplift of the lower grade cashew kernels.
Is there any machines available for this purpose?
Yeah, we have filed the technologies to how to roast it, what is the optimum temperature, and what is the duration to be coated, and how the seasoning is added. These kind of the technologies available with us. Any industry can approach us, and we do transfer our technology and the knowledge to the industry to carry out the business.
Which lower grades they can use for value additions?
Actually, even whole kernel, by adding the flavoring and roasting itself, the one of the value addition. And apart from that, they can go for the splits, broken. These lower grade cashew kernel can be used for the uplift, that is the increase the value addition.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you.